Are you unknowingly throwing money away? Messy bookkeeping is one of the biggest reasons restaurants struggle financially. But the good news is it's completely fixable. Today, I'm breaking down the essential do's and don'ts of restaurant bookkeeping so that you can keep more of your hard earned cash and avoid costly mistakes. I've been helping small business owners with their finances since 2016, personally working with over 100 small businesses and coaching and mentoring over 250 accountants and bookkeepers on how to help their clients thrive. Now, I specialize in helping restaurants and food businesses build profitable, financially healthy businesses. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more restaurant business tips every week. Today, we're talking about how to master restaurant bookkeeping because keeping your books in order isn't just about staying organized. It's about increasing profits, cutting costs, and making smarter business decisions. By the end of this video, you'll know the top bookkeeping practices that will streamline your finances and boost efficiency, the biggest mistakes restaurant owners make that lead to financial chaos, and how strong financial records can help you grow your business and reduce stress. First, let's talk about what you should be doing when it comes to restaurant bookkeeping. One of the most important things that you can do is keep accurate records. Every sale, expense, and transaction matters. If you don't track it, you can't manage it. Whether it's daily sales, ingredient costs, or even utility bills, keeping detailed records will help you understand exactly where your money is going. Next, use accounting software to make your life easier. Tools like QuickBooks or Xero can automate much of your bookkeeping, tracking expenses, generating financial reports, and even managing payroll. If you're still relying on spreadsheets or worse, a pile of receipts in a shoebox, it's time to upgrade. You also need to reconcile your bank statements regularly. That just means making sure that your books match your bank account. This helps catch errors, spot fraudulent transactions, and keeps your financials accurate. Make this a monthly habit so that small discrepancies don't turn into big problems. Another key tip is to categorize your transactions consistently. When you break down your spending into categories like food cost, payroll, rent, and marketing, you'll have a much clearer picture of where your money is going. Plus, this makes tax time way easier. And finally, always back up your financial data. Losing your bookkeeping records can be a nightmare. So, whether it's cloud storage or an external hard drive, make sure that you have a backup plan in place. Now, let's talk about what not to do. These mistakes could cost you time, money, and unnecessary stress. First, don't delay record keeping. I know bookkeeping isn't the most exciting part of running a restaurant, but putting it off will only make things worse. Set aside time weekly or even daily to update your books. Trust me, waiting until tax season to sort through a year's worth of receipts is not fun. Another big mistake, overlooking petty cash. Small purchases here and there might not seem like a big deal, but they add up fast. And if you're not tracking petty cash, you could be losing hundreds or even thousands of dollars without realizing it. Don't neglect compliance. Sales tax, payroll taxes, and business filings are non negotiable. Falling behind on tax deadlines can lead to penalties and fines, which is the last thing you want. If this feels overwhelming, getting professional help can save you a ton of headaches. One of the most common mistakes I see is ignoring bank reconciliation. Even if you think your books are accurate, skipping this step could mean missing fraudulent transactions, unnoticed bank fees, or even simple math errors. And finally, don't forget financial reporting. Your profit and loss statement, cash flow report, and balance sheet aren't just numbers, they're tools that will help you make better business decisions. Reviewing these reports regularly can help you spot trends, adjust pricing, and even plan for expansion. Running a restaurant is an art and a science. While your passion may be crafting amazing food and creating memorable dining experiences, the numbers behind the scenes can make or break your success. And that's where good bookkeeping comes in. At the end of the day, good bookkeeping isn't just about checking a box. It's about setting your restaurant up for success. When your numbers are in order, you can increase profitability by identifying waste and cutting unnecessary costs, secure funding and plan for future growth with confidence, and reduce stress so that you can focus on what you love, serving amazing food. Got questions about your restaurant's finances? That's where we come in. Click the link below this video to book a free consultation and let's cook up a plan to make your business thrive. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe for more restaurant success tips, and drop a comment below. What's your biggest bookkeeping challenge right now? Let's talk about it. And if you're serious about getting your restaurant's finances in order, check out this next video where I talk about boosting your profits without cutting quality.